Apple has done it again. The excitement is palpable, and the anticipation has been building up for months. The iPhone 16 Pro and Pro Max are here, pushing the boundaries of what a smartphone can do. These devices are not just another iteration. They represent a significant milestone in smartphone technology. This isn't just an upgrade, it's a giant leap forward. With cutting-edge features and groundbreaking innovations, Apple has once again set a new standard for the industry. Get ready for a whole new level of performance, stunning visuals, and creativity. The new display technology offers vibrant colors and unparalleled clarity, making every interaction a visual delight. Buckle up, because you're in for a wild ride. The enhanced performance capabilities mean faster processing, smoother multitasking, and an overall more responsive experience. The hype is real, and I'm here to break it all down for you. From the sleek design to the powerful internals, there's so much to explore and appreciate. We'll dive into all the juicy details, from the blazing fast A18 Pro chip, which promises unprecedented speed and efficiency, to the mind-blowing camera system. The advanced camera technology allows for stunning photography and videography, capturing every moment in exquisite detail. Trust me, you don't want to miss this. Whether you're a tech enthusiast or just looking for the best smartphone experience, this is the device for you. So, let's jump right in and explore the future of mobile technology. The next generation is here, and it's more exciting than ever. Let's talk design. The iPhone 16 Pro is a masterpiece of engineering and aesthetics. Apple is known for its sleek aesthetics, and the iPhone 16 Pro series takes it up a notch. The design is not just about looks, it's about creating a seamless experience. The new titanium frame isn't just about looks, it's incredibly durable too. This means you can carry it anywhere without worrying about accidental drops. Say goodbye to those accidental scratches and dents. The scratch-resistant screen ensures your phone looks new for longer. But the real star of the show is the ProMotion XDR display. This display is a game changer, offering an immersive viewing experience. This screen is simply stunning, with incredibly smooth scrolling and vibrant colors. Every interaction feels fluid and responsive. Whether you're browsing the web, watching movies, or editing photos, everything looks incredibly lifelike. The colors pop, and the details are sharp. And powering all of this is the A18 Pro chip, the fastest chip ever in a smartphone. This chip is designed to handle the most demanding tasks with ease. This means smoother multitasking, faster app launches, and console-quality gaming, all in the palm of your hand. Whether you're a gamer, a professional, or just someone who loves technology, the iPhone 16 Pro delivers an unparalleled experience. If you enjoyed this video, please like and subscribe to Tech Drive Innovator for more updates. Get ready to unleash your inner photographer and filmmaker, because the iPhone 16 Pro camera system is a game changer. With its advanced technology, you can capture moments like never before. We're talking about a whole new level of image quality and creative control. The enhanced sensors and lenses ensure that every shot is crisp and vibrant. The ProRAW 2.0 feature captures more detail than ever before, giving you more flexibility when editing your photos. You can tweak every aspect to perfection. And if you're into video, the ProRes capability lets you shoot and edit professional quality videos right on your phone. Imagine creating cinematic masterpieces with just a few taps. The improved image stabilization keeps your videos buttery smooth, even if you're on the move. No more shaky footage ruining your perfect shot. Get ready to capture your adventures in stunning detail. Whether you're exploring the great outdoors or just capturing everyday moments, the iPhone 16 Pro is your ultimate tool. Power through your day sustainably. Worried about your phone dying on you? Don't be. The iPhone 16 Pro and Pro Max pack some serious battery life. We're talking about all-day battery life, even with heavy use. But Apple didn't stop there. They're also committed to protecting our planet. The iPhone 16 Pro series is designed with recycled materials and uses less energy, reducing its impact on the environment. So you can enjoy the latest technology while knowing you're making a responsible choice for the planet. It's a win-win. Elevate your mobile experience. The iPhone 16 Pro starts at $999, while the Pro Max starts at $1,099. They're available for pre-order now and will be in stores on release date. So, what are you waiting for? Upgrade to the iPhone 16 Pro or Pro Max today and experience the future of mobile technology. Trust me, you won't regret it.